I'm back again. So we're continuing on with this question here. We got down to the end here, which is y equals 2/3 x minus 4/3, but the question wants the answer in general form. So we're coming over here, and we're going to get rid of all of these fractions. So we need to multiply every term by the common denominator. So every one of them is going to be multiplied by the 3. And if we do that, these 3's cancel and so do these, and we end up with 3y equals 2x minus 4. All the fractions are gone, which is needed for general form. Then we need to have a 0 on one side for general form, so we're going to keep the 0 here. Put your x term first, bring 3y across to be minus 3y, and your minus 4. Swap the entire sides, and you've got 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals 0 for your answer in general form. We're doing another question here. So the original question was find the equation of the line in general form. So this one, again, we've got a gradient, and we've also got 1 point again. So this is going in for m, and this is going in for x1, y1, not the x and y. So we start with our formula, sub in our numbers directly. Any double negatives we change to a plus, and expand the brackets, and you'll get that line. After that, if we move the plus 3 across so we have our numbers together, so we have our minus 3 there, then collect those on your calculator and you'll get a minus 1. And then for general form, remember we need a 0. I've jumped a line here which I shouldn't have done, but in there you've got the 0. Oh, actually, it's okay. We're just taking everything to the left-hand side. Okay, so we're going to move across the minus 4x over to there. The plus 1 will be in there and the y there. So you've got to have your x term first when it comes across, write your y second, and your number when it comes across goes third, and that's your answer. This next question is using the other formula because we've been given 2 points, no gradient. So we're going to use this formula here, and we're going to sub in for x1, y1 and x2, y2 directly into that formula. When you get your double negatives, change them to pluses. Then when we simplify a little bit, we'll have an 8 up the top here and a minus 3 on the bottom. After that, you need to cross multiply. That will get you to general form straight away. So we're going to cross multiply through there. Don't forget that if you have more than one term, it goes in brackets. So our next line has the equals in the middle. 8 times x minus 2 in brackets equals minus 3 times y plus 2 in brackets. Expand your brackets and you'll end up with that line. And take everything to one side. X term first. Bring your y across and write it second. And then all our numbers get written last. And then we just collect the numbers together. I'll go over a few more examples on the next video.